How to log in to Temu account. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can log into Temu account. The first thing you want to do is open up Play Store or App Store. Now you want to search for Temu. This is the application you want to download and install. For that, tap on the install option. Once it has been installed, tap on the open option. Now, once you open the application, you will find the sign in option at the bottom right corner, or you can also tap on the U icon over here. Now tap on sign in slash register. You will have different options here. You can continue with Google, continue with your Facebook account, continue with your email account, or continue with phone number. So you can use any options over here. If you want to continue with your email address, go ahead and enter your email address over here. Then you will have to tap on the continue option. Next thing you want to do is enter your password to get logged into your account. You can also continue with your phone number. For that, enter your phone number over here, select your country code, then tap on the continue option. Now you will have to either enter your password or you will receive an OTP code which you will have to enter over here in order to be logged into your account. You can choose to use your Facebook account over here, or you can simply tap on continue with Google. Then you will have to select your Google account from here. Now, once that is done, as you can see, you have been successfully signed into your account. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.